My child, you were born in the darkness, born to kill it. Now only you can do this, my little son. Let's check your skills. Go to the right. Good. And now, go to the left. You're strong and learning so fast.